This one, it's got a mind of its own. It's gone absolutely parabolic at the request of you guys. It's TonCoin. Keep the requests coming, guys. I'll keep doing the videos. So TonCoin's currently trading at $7.85. Haven't got much data to go by, so what do we use? Trusty Fibonacci's. And we're going to put the retracement on there to find if there was any extension levels that were sticking points after the retracement. So we're going to go from the structure, the previous swing high, all the way to its bear market low. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look for any sticking points. Is there any magic Fibonacci levels that are working for us? Are we likely to pull back? If we're likely to pull back, where are we likely to pull back to? Of course, we've got the 1618 here. You've had a rejection from the 2618 once, twice, 3 times before we broke through. This is going to be the important level to hold. Just going to build that in now. That's sitting at $7.45. What's the next one? We've got our extension levels on here. Are any of these extension levels sticking? Just take a look at the chart. It's come back down. Where's it come back down to? The 1618. Once, twice. It's come back down 3 times to the 1618. We're going to build this in as our level of support. See how these magic Fibonacci numbers work. Right, so what we know 2 things now. If price action pulls back and doesn't hold this as support, we're likely to come back down to test the bottom of the range, which is the 1618. That's sitting at $5, just under $5. So we're likely to come back. We're likely to test the 1618 if we fall back into this trend. So I'm going to have buy orders laddered in, a small amount here, and then my next buy order is going to be down here. Why is it going to be down here? Because we were in this range for such a long time. We were in this range for 98 days, nearly 100 days. And what do we say? The bigger the base, the higher the space. And that's what happens. You're in a base for a long accumulation period. And once you break through with velocity. And that's exactly what happened here. I want to come back and test that as support. Doesn't mean it's going to test support. I want it to come back and test support. And this is where my main position is going to be down here, around about the 335 level. So I've got little snippets here, just under $5. I've got a bigger position down here, and I'm waiting to see how price reacts. Price action could hold this level here as support, continue up, and if it does hold support, I want a retest down here, and then I'd be interested in this level. Not interested in this level at the moment. It looks like it's exhausted. It looks like it needs a pullback. So the next thing, we know that the Fibonacci levels stick. We'll tidy the chart up a little bit. We know what areas we need to hold. We know what advantages we can take within the market if it gets to certain areas. And now we can put a retracement on from its low to its high to find out how far we're likely to get a retracement. In a strong bullish trend, we know that the 382 retracement is a strong, healthy retracement level. So we can build the 382, $5.53. So this is going to be a strong support area. If we pull back and this holds as support, there's a high possibility that you're going to get a continuation on TonCoin. If we pull back even further, you've got your 618 down here. That's sat at 380. You've got your 786. Not looking at the 786. If we're pulling back into the 786, the 786 is a deeper retracement. I'd be looking at the charts, I'd be analysing, and I'd be assessing to find out what I think that future price action is going to do. So those are the levels, guys, that I'm holding. If you did find it useful, let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next, and I will see you in the next one.